Hello, people of the internet. Let's see demo of project DevDesk. Project intro. Okay, so why I wanted to build this project and what problem it solve. Let's see. So I am just working in a service-based company where we provide a service over our back office product to the client. Okay, so there is a concept called CPM, Client Project Manager, who manages all the clients and their requirements. So there can be multiple clients tagged to the one CPM, or there can be one client mapped to the one CPM. So CPM is a bridge between the client and the developer. Or we can say the team lead. So whenever the new requirement or change request come from the client, CPM it route it to the developer or the team lead. Next, suppose consider this scenario. So we have the client A, B, and C, and a client A got the issue in his application that client server XYZ prod server unable to send the automated emails. At that time, the CPM and make the entry into the Excel file of the client A and assign this issue to developer A. So developer A resolve this issue in the few patches and give final patch to the client A and make the entry in the Excel sheet also. So for each client, there are separate Excels maintained. The issue occurrence date, resolution date, and the issue name. These three fields are maintained there, but no root cause, no documentations, and solution for future reference is mentioned. That is the key points which are. That's why I wanted to build this project. That the issue, who is currently working on that issue is also not mentioned, since at a particular time a project manager or senior person from the team wanted to see that what is the current status and who to whom he can reach out to. It is not mentioned. More importantly, the project documentation and the solution for future reference is not maintained. It is very important that if this issue arises in client B and C also, the the same solution can be applied there. If the product is same, the solution can be applied. That's why I wanted to build this project. For as a tech stack, I use Java Spring Boot for backend, Angular for a front end part, and a database I use S2 database, that is in memory database, for a demo. Let's have a project walkthrough. Uh, this is my login screen where is a employee ID I mentioned, that user employee ID, the developer type. Uh, Developer can choose which user can choose which type of person it is, developer, support, or analyst. Okay, now check my desk. This is a dashboard where we can see that the new requirement highlights, all of them, and project events are mentioned here. There are overall three components are important. That is my task, project tasks, and add update task section. Here, let's go to my tasks. Okay, so in my task section we have three subsection, that is all tasks assigned to me, in progress tasks, and completed tasks. So each task will contain a task ID, client name, task task name, and task picked by who is the current developer working on the task. Okay, the star denotes the severity of the task, that is what is the severity here. These Java and WebLogic are the task tags. I said that task tags are uh, particular to the task, that for identifying the task only by looking, we can identify the task only by looking these task tags. It's easy to identify. If you expand this section, we get the report date, resolution date, and email subjects. These are also mentioned previously that are maintained in Excel, but additionally we maintain these details with solution and information. The solution can be a developer solution can be identified by the lead, and he can add it while the assigning issue to the developer, or developer itself can add the solution of the particular issue while completing these tasks. Okay, so similarly, there is a overall project task section here, where a team lead or someone higher person can see at particular time, that is who is current person working on the task. Okay, if I am a team lead and I search uh, the issue name Tom. Okay, okay, so I got this issue filtered here, and the layout is the same as my task also, and we can see more info about the task here. Okay, additionally, in my task, if I go, there is a color scheme I use, that gray for pending task, orange for in progress task, and green for completed task. If I wanted to change the task state from in progress to completed, or do any modifications in it, I can press this pencil icon here, and, and the task ID will be passed to this component add update task. Here we contain a task title, reference number, solution details, all the fields mentioned in a task, and we can change that here from here. There is task priority and status. If I wanted to move it from in progress to completed, I choose completed. I can also give the tags here, and wanted to if I wanted to update it, if I click here, it will go from orange to green. That for this, and if I see my tasks, it will move from in progress to completed task. This this feature for possible solution and task tag will really help evo- in any small to medium scale projects development, and it is very important to manage solution also. That's all I also have about section. I mentioned my LinkedIn profile. Also, I added my uh, added my project code on the GitHub. So if you go on the GitHub, you can see my front end repository, back end repository, and the screenshot I added here. Thank you for watching.